A talo, when somebody has got a swollen leg, where people believe that a talo is caused by a dogo, witchcraft, and not by a bacteria known as Staphylococcus and Streptococcus bacteria that cause that cellulitis. Tulina okuruga omubutamanya nturaba omukusoma n'okukola emirimu ya sente. Therefore, all physical obstacles that interfere with education for all, such as school charges, abakusaba sente amasomero ga gavumenti, esente za gavumenti akusaba ebisale amasomero ga gavumenti tukaziihawo omwaka 2008 ba headmaster abamu bakajema baikala ne basaba esente amasomero ga gavumenti kyambiriza abaana abamu okuruga mu masomero. Ekyo ntugenda kukiguraho olutalo, mujja kuhurira olutalo lw'amaanyi. Since many families cannot yet afford the paying of money for education, the government must provide free education in government primary, secondary, and tertiary institutions. The present dropout rate at the secondary schools level of 64% is not acceptable. Stay tuned. You will hear what we shall tell you in a few weeks. Corruption will be stamped out. I congratulate some government agencies. I've seen people that had stolen PDM money and the Myoga money being arrested or being forced to refund the money. That is good. However, it's not enough. I have heard the Bazukuru crying about the district service commissions selling local government jobs. Abejukuru bangambire ngo emirimo ya local government erahakatare oyino kusasura ngo basasura bagure emirimo aba bantu abonimo mbakenise mukwato bujuru tubakwate tubatware ruzerere emyanya. I have heard of girls being exploited sexually as bribes for jobs. Get evidence, please, devoted members of the public, and we expand and roast those pigs. Embisezo, Twagala kuzocha. The DSOs and the CIDs should also be on notice. How does such corruption go on in your area of responsibility, and you do not know, or if you know, you do not report? Police, they will be the same. You still hear some elements pushing sectarianism of tribe and religion. We long ago banished sectarianism. I believe it is both a criminal and electoral offense. Somebody can lose his or her seat of an elected office if it is proved that he used sectarianism even when he is already elected. Bine byokosa amahanga na madini tukabitekeira ombiragiro omuntu okugamba tumunkome awa ndi munyoro kasangirwe ninga kagamba munkome abokwa ndi omufuruki wanyu turenda kunyaza abanyoro nonyaza abantu nofo kinabo. hati abantu abo bona twatunga obujulizi orukukozesa olurimi orwo orukubaganisa abantu ngu naronda obururu nakomwa kandi omurimo gwabe lubaka bamuronzire nibagumbingamu nabwo ekimwa ababunyoro, which is lucky to be an area where many of our tribes are. Make sure that you get rid of this nonsense. You elect somebody because he or she is good, not because of tribe, because of religion, because of this. Mwihe obutu obo omu Uganda, obutu mwihemu. Mukoma omuntu habwe ebikorwa bye birungi. I believe it is both a criminal and electoral offense. Finally, the issue of the environment, the forests, the wetlands.
Abantu babatekaniza tubantunire ebyapo mutwaro gumu bite processes zatukwata. So 2007 Your Excellency ebyapa 2007 kubigaba hanu kagadi kakumiro na Kibale, it's a big achievement. Abo bayirombwavu tukabagamba muzeeyi ali amaini ekyokora na akimanya. Oyiro nkwenda kusaba onyambo ntekerewo Iraka kuyambawo omukyala n'abakobogo mu Ministry ya Lands tuyina abakozi abakumala kurungi baitu bakwendaga kupangisa kampani nizo zikole systematic land demarcation. Ekyo tinkwikiraniza nakyo Your Excellency habwokuba kikubeera too costly for nothing kandi abakozi omu ministry tubayina tusoboire kukola ebyapa 2007 omu wiiki nkaina nitukolesa abakozi ba government. I wish we had started earlier. Eitaka lino lyona lituyembalizeewo tukubaye tumaze lisalamu ebyapa at a very minimal cost. Nkusaba Your Excellency bwenda abandesire ensonga eyo onteekerewo omukono tukolesa abakozi abaitu abali mu ministry omu ebyokwikaara tubikangie hakuna kulala. Your Excellency, Parish Development Model, the Honorable Babalandaji balizewo tinja kubamalira bwire baitu abantu bensi ni basima webale kuyiya yako bainanga ba Parish Development Model muzeeyi tagabwire mu muterero mu ngaro baitu ajimuja kufuna emilioni 25 zili account nezindi 25 zikwija amwaka gona milioni 10 emyaka 2024 milioni 10 23 milioni 10 25 milioni 10 26 milioni 10 27 milioni 10 28 milioni 10 muzeeyi fete tujja kukyusa Mukama wange President deka kanu nkabaza omurunyoro. Okay, let me take this opportunity, Your Excellency,